your First Alert 5 weather.
Hey there, everybody. We had crazy heat over the weekend. So Saturday we had highs in the low hundreds for Pueblo. Colorado Springs hit 98. And then Sunday, Pueblo, we hit a record of 107, the high of 107. La Junta, Lamar, Denver, all into the triple digits. So was Trinidad. And Colorado Springs, we had a high of 98, but the only reason we didn't hit 100 is because a thunderstorm developed near the airport, and the cloud cover and some of that rain and cool air cooled things down. It was actually the third hottest temperature in Pueblo's history in Pueblo on Sunday. So we've actually hit 107 a few other times, 2012, 2003. But it was not quite the hottest ever, which is currently at 109. Springs, the hottest we've ever been, is 101. So that cold front this morning really came through with some big gusts, 30 to 40 miles per hour. From noon to 3 o'clock into the afternoon here, we'll get the winds to be a little bit more easterly, and then that east wind into the mountains through the end of the day should help give us some much needed rain and thunderstorms, the strongest of which will be south of Pueblo. Now it's pretty warm everywhere. Instability for storms not quite as powerful in the Pikes Peak region because of some of the cooler air, 82 in the Springs, 91 in Pueblo. But I still think we have plenty of energy today for thunderstorms, some of them strong, some of them will be severe. The areas where the severe outlook is showing at least a chance of strong to severe storms is generally Pueblo, south to Trinidad, and east across Los Animas, Baca counties. Now El Paso, Teller, Fremont County, we could still see some strong storms. But if we see severe weather, Walsenburg to Trinidad and east into Baca County, that seems like the most likely area. And weather modeling is agreeing with that. So from noon to 2, not much happens. We just get some weak thunderstorm development over the mountains. From 2 to 4, not much more happens either. We're going to notice by 5 some bigger thunderstorms, pretty strong, getting into Teller County, and then by 5 to 6 o'clock, some of the remnants flow over El Paso County. Canyon City could get some late day big thunderstorms, same with the Webb Mountain Valley. Seems like newer model runs are actually bringing some rain into Pueblo. Possible severe weather even there at 8 o'clock with large hail and strong winds, and then storms move south of Pueblo to Walsenburg and Trinidad overnight. But after 10 o'clock at night, storms really do start to weaken up. Temperatures are going to be in the 80s on Colorado Springs, 91. This is all tomorrow. And then as we get into Wednesday, well, we're going to bounce back to some bigger heat. Pueblo will go back towards 100. So when you're checking out your 7-day forecast, if you were expecting some heat, we'd expect it into the middle of the week. Today, okay chance of thunderstorms, especially on the west side of town after 5 or 6 o'clock. Tomorrow, another chance of storms, dry Thursday and Wednesday, and then more storms this weekend. Pueblo, it does seem like in the forecast models we have a chance of storms this evening, especially between like 7 to 9 o'clock. I think we could see a storm tomorrow, and then we're just really hot Wednesday and Thursday, both days basically sitting around 100. Canyon City, we're going to be hot. Today about 90 with some strong storms possible late today. I think we have more storms this weekend. In Woodland Park, could see a really strong storm around 5 o'clock or so. Got more storm chances on Tuesday. Looks to be dry on Wednesday, and we'll carry storm chances through the weekend.